I see that you benefited from strong yield on your interest earning portfolio, and while interest rates here in Australia certainly don't seem to be coming down as fast as many had hoped or expected, in fact we might even get a hike out of the RBA at some point, nonetheless when they do start coming down at the official level, what impact would that have on your portfolio?
Well, obviously we benefited from elevated underlying yield. It's not elevated in a historical context because we have seen yields at this level, many times in the past, but certainly relative to where it has been, the insurance business has benefited from that. Luckily, we've had a portfolio that's had some inflation-linked bonds in it. They've been perfectly timed for this environment, so they've offset the risk of inflation. We would expect yields to moderate, and certainly as we looked at our margin guidance for FY25, we've anticipated moderation of yields. That's flowed through that guidance. We continue obviously to make our business more productive, more efficient to offset not only those declining premium rates, which we are foreshadowing, but also importantly the less reliance that we'll be able to apply on the yield portfolio.
Yeah, as we've outlined with the RBA higher for longer, that has very much caused some headwinds, but also, there are benefits too. I mean, what is the biggest challenge right now, just very quickly, Steve, for the insurance industry, and which parts of the business do you expect to also outperform?
Well, I think the issue is around affordability and availability of insurance, particularly for that 2% of Australians who, through no fault of their own, have been building in or allowed to build in areas they should never have been allowed to build in. So that's what we talked about, the mitigation, the resilience 4-point plan. In terms of our opportunity, look, we have a great opportunity in commercial insurance. We've got 8% market share there. We've got a great brand. We've got great claims management processes. It seems to be a portfolio with the right investment and attention that we're now applying to it can grow ahead of the market. So that's where our big opportunity lies, alongside improving our claims processes and doing all the things we need to do to make Australia more resilient.